I had an old boss tell me, he goes, Brad, never be presentational, be conversational. Talk like you talk. And then he looked at me, he goes, okay, maybe not like how you talk. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Brad, and today I'm excited to share with you an entire community that we built around DIY golf club restoration. You know, when I started the channel, I didn't know anyone else who was doing this. So I started a Facebook group to give people a forum or a community to be able to ask questions or bounce ideas off of, or give advice or tips or tricks, or just show off the projects that you're working on. And that has grown to over 3,000 members already. So we have thousands of members from various skill levels, from people who have never even tried it, thinking about getting started, just trying their first club, or someone who does it for a living. And everyone helps each other. It's a very welcoming group, so I make sure that you knew that this was available to you as a resource. This is the perfect example of a post that you'd see on the Facebook group. I thought this would be a great place to get some tips before I start. That's it. That's what I wanted to do. I wanted to build a community of people who can help people like Damien. Brian's first try at nickel plating. Look at that, man. Come on, man. Look at that thing, dude. That's beautiful. That is what you want to see. This guy is trying it for the very first time on this Ben Hogan 1-iron. Trying nickel plating for the first time, and look at the result. Check out Jason's big Bertha. Look at that. Beautiful, man. And then here's a guy that's getting a little stuck, right? So he's asking questions. I've tried this, I've tried that. I'm still seeing the result come out look like this. He's asking the group questions, and we're trying to troubleshoot for him. Hey man, maybe that container's a little too small, or what was your voltage, or things like that. So people of various skill levels are joining in to help out. Bob's first torch job. Sounds naughty. Steven. If you saw that in the thrift shop bin, you'd be like, I'm good. Look at what he did. Hooked it up. Jordan found this TP Mills putter. You like that one? Check this out. Look good? You'll see. What? What? Damn, man. I've seen this guy's stuff, man. It's good. Oh, yeah. This dude, man. This dude posted on, he posted a nice comment on the YouTube channel saying that the DIY Golf Club Restoration channel inspired him to make his own channel. Can you believe that, man? That is so powerful. I love that. Thank you, man. This is incredible. Subscribe to this guy's stuff, brother. I thought it was time to share my passion and start a YouTube channel. That's what's up. A bunch of short videos, clubs that he's done. Anyways, I wanted to make a quick sort of lo-fi video on this absolutely amazing community that I don't know that you knew about, and it's my fault for not sharing this earlier with you. 3,000 and growing members, and I hope to see you there, man. Thanks a lot.